Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Health Prodigy. Today, we're diving deep into a wonderful world of yoga and its incredible benefits for both your mental and physical well being. So, if you've ever wondered about the magic of yoga and how it can transform your life, stick around because we're about to uncover some amazing insights. First things first, let's get a clear understanding of what yoga is. Yoga is an ancient practice that originated in India and has been around for thousands of years. It's not just about contorting your body into impossible poses, it's a holistic approach to harmonizing your body, mind, and soul. The word yoga itself means union, and that's exactly what this practice aims to achieve, a union of your physical, mental, and spiritual aspects. Now let's talk about the physical benefits of yoga. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out your fitness journey, yoga has something to offer for everyone. One of the most noticeable benefits of yoga is improved flexibility and mobility. Regular practice of yoga's asanas or poses help to stretch and strengthen muscles, making your body more supple and agile. Contrary to popular belief, yoga is not just about stretching, it's also an effective way to build strength. Many yoga poses involve supporting your body weight, which helps in toning muscles and enhancing overall strength. In today's world of desk jobs and smartphones, poor posture has become a common issue. Yoga encourages proper alignment and awareness of your body, leading to improved posture and reduced strain on your muscles and joints. Now let's shift our focus to the incredible impact of yoga on mental health. Life can be stressful, but yoga offers a sanctuary of tranquility. The practice incorporates deep breathing and relaxation techniques that activate the parasympathetic nervous system, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. Yoga teaches mindfulness, the art of being fully present in the moment. This skill not only enhances your yoga practice, but also translates to your daily life, allowing you to appreciate each moment and reduce racing thoughts. Yoga is a powerful tool to cultivate emotional balance. Through mindfulness and self-awareness, you can better understand your emotions and learn how to respond to them in a healthier way. One of the most fascinating aspects of yoga is the mind-body connection it nurtures. Yoga emphasizes the connection between breath and movement. This synchronized breathing not only enhances the effectiveness of your practice, but also improves the flow of your energy throughout your body. Practicing yoga requires focus and concentration as you move through different poses. This can lead to improved cognitive function and better concentration in your daily tasks. The beauty of yoga lies in its adaptability. Whether you're young or old, a beginner or experienced, there's a style of yoga that suits your needs. From hatha to vinyasa, Ashganta to yin, there's a diverse range of yoga styles, each offering unique benefits. Some focus on relaxation, while others emphasize strength and flexibility. If you're new to yoga, start slow and find a beginner-friendly class or tutorial. Remember, progress in yoga is about consistency, not perfection. Now that you're excited about the benefits of yoga, let's talk about how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Whether it's practicing for 15 minutes every morning or attending a class twice a week, set realistic goals that align with your schedule and lifestyle. Designate a quiet and clutter-free space for your practice. This helps create a calming atmosphere that enhances your yoga experience. And there you have it, folks, the incredible benefits of yoga for both your mental and physical health. From improved flexibility and strength to reduce stress and enhance mindfulness, yoga offers a holistic approach to well-being that can truly transform your life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And as always, remember that taking care of your health is an investment in your future self. So to roll out that mat, take a deep breath and embark on your yoga journey to a healthier and happier you. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more enlightening content.